iPhone users, check this out. Big news about the iPhone 16 series. Of course, you know, pre-order started September 13th. You can still pre-order now. Delivery start 20th of September. That's about 3 days from now. But can you believe this? Breaking news. iPhone 16 series are being sold in stores in Dubai right now. That means 4 days before the release in US and all over the world, people can walk into the stores and buy iPhone 16 Pro Max in Dubai. Well, money speaks. Of course, if you want to know why, some distributors got their hand early on it and they are selling as high as 12,000 EAU denaries, which is about $3,267 to be precise, for an iPhone 16 Pro Max. Well, money speaks. So, well, it's no longer news that those who pre-ordered early from Apple will get it from 20th. Some are getting it 30th of September. Some are getting it October. Even my own pre-order was October 7 to 14. I was like, no way, no way. So, what do you think about this in the first place? So for me, the implication is that those who are clamoring to get the iPhone very early, the iPhone 16 series very early, are definitely going to pay a little bit more, except you ordered early and you get it from Apple or from the stores that are early. From this weekend, it should probably be around in a lot of stores. So you might as well wait and check out in stores and see whether you can get it. Of course, a pre-order going on in carriers, in Best Buy. Amazon pre-order will also soon start and it will just be everywhere. So I've resigned my faith that I'm not going to get the iPhone so early. What I'm not going to do is to overpay for the iPhone 16 series if I'm going to get it. I'm not going to do that because even at that, some of the features that Apple Intelligence are going to come with iOS 18.1, where they will have to add all the juices, all the Apple Intelligence, the new Siri and all that. So it's not as if you get the iPhone this week that you're going to get all the Apple Intelligence features. No, you're not getting that. It has to come later with an update. So let me think. Money speaks. And this same thing happened in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. On that same day of launch, it was available in the EAU that same day. As a matter of fact, I got my Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra early and its EAU model because that was just the only place, that you could get it early. So money speaks, man. I don't know how they keep doing this. I don't know how they keep getting devices, first before other people and all stuff like that. But of course, there's money there and they don't mind paying anything, in the city of gold where you could just, pay anything to get whatever you want at any time you want it. And it's actually interesting. So let me hear from you. Is your pre-order coming in? When are you getting? Are you getting the 20th or the 30th or in October? Or are you waiting for deals? Are you pre-ordering from Carrier? Or are you getting from Amazon, Best Buy, or wherever you get phones from your area? If you're going to be the first to get it, you might as well pay premium. Premium or nothing if you're going to get it so early. Check out this interesting fact. The iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max are having a decline in sales compared to the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. Of course, the iPhone 16 Plus this year got a redesign. It got the A18 chip, even though not the Pro one. It got Apple Intelligence. It has the camera control feature. And it has the small version if you want the smaller device. It has the bigger version if you want the Plus. And yeah, Apple, people are actually looking. They need something. Make sure you follow me here for more updated dates. Of course, I'm going to do a new video for iOS 18, a whole lot of features. If you are from iPhone 15 plus downwards, you're not getting Apple Intelligence, but there are a whole lot of new features, privacy, theming, background wallpaper, security settings, and, battery life performance. There are a whole lot of other things I'm going to share with you. I've already made some videos about this in the beta series. I'm going to gather all of them in the next video and show you every new feature or all the top interesting feature on iOS 18 that you might want to use. So make sure you follow me here, click on that subscribe button, like, share, and until I see you in the next video, it is peace to our world. Subscribe. I'll see you.